We have law firms in over 60 countries, representing over 170 offices. So when you see the map, we have our Mackrell flag planted in many different parts of the world. But it's occurred to us in the last several years, if not more, that Africa is a place where we need to plant more flags.
Joining the network as extending their reputational reach, extending their brand reach, and providing a service to clients which on their own they simply can't do, whilst at the same time clearly looking to put their name on the map and raise their profile so that business comes inwards from wherever it is around the world. I was just speaking to our Australia member earlier today who's just received some work from Denmark. It truly is absolutely international. Wherever the clients are, wherever the business is, we connect people.
Benefits of belonging to a network like ours is not simply saying my name is there and I am plugged into this network, but there's also a lot of interaction, both physical and also virtual, through different meetings, annual general meetings that we have been having over the years, where we meet in different locations over the years. But for me, I had heard about the network, the Mackrell network, and I thought, okay, it's a nice thing, but I didn't see its benefit and direct value to me until I actually got invited to attend an annual general meeting. And I went just out of curiosity to be able to see what goes on in these meetings. And I found a fraternity of lawyers, a family of people that have known each other, that have worked together, that have referred work to each other, and the general ambience of people who actually know each other and can refer clients with confidence, knowing that I have a friend, a wonderful lawyer in the Netherlands that I know someone from Hamburg, and the whole experience was really amazing for me. And as soon as I came back, it was not very difficult to convince my partners that we have to be part of this network. And ever since that time, the value of it is it's not something I can at this point give numbers, but it has increased my confidence when I talk to clients, because I'm able to tell a client that we have a firm that we work with in the UK, that if you have operations in Ghana, we have a firm that we can recommend. If we have work in Uganda, we have someone that I know, that I've talked to, that I can actually show my client that I know this lawyer, and we are on a first name basis. And it increases our clients' confidence in us, and it increases our own confidence when we approach clients, because we know we are not on your own. You're not operating on your own. You have a wonderful resource from all over the world. We do have this plaque that says in our reception area that says this firm is a member of Mackrell International. It's always a wonderful icebreaker, because new people come in and they say, what is Mackrell? And then you have an opportunity to show that you're not alone in this practice, but you have a network of wonderful talent. And then the client start looking at you with different eyes. Usually after that, they're like, if you charge them a certain amount, they won't hesitate, because they know you're a very important person.
I've had a number of clients who come in and we said, look, we've had connections in literally every continent in the world, and we have a representative firm in many of the top capitals of the world. It's always something that we find extremely impressive. And like you said, Maggie, it boosts the client's confidence in you to be a member of such an organization.
We are a much closer group than I think any of the other networks out there. We talk to a lot of the other networks. We talk to members of the other networks, not just legal, but accounting as well. and they don't know where their other firms are. They don't know what the other firms are. The difference with us is because we meet so regularly, and because many of us have been friends for so many years, as David says, we know each other in some cases better than our own partners. And that closeness is a huge part of what makes this work. And obviously, since you've been on board, Keith, in the last 18 months, we very much stressed that side of things, the family side of things, which over the course of the last 12 months has been hugely important. The support that people have given to each other has been massively important. And that, I think those two factors are really what differentiates us from the other networks that are out there.
If there is an interest, then you would fill out an application. It's a relatively easy application to fill out. It doesn't take, your marketing folks can do it inside an hour at most too. And then we have a very good, thorough vetting process with, as Keith alluded to, a membership committee. Our committee reviews that, and then they make a recommendation to the delegates at large, giving everybody a chance to see if there's any conflicts or any reason why they shouldn't become a member. But the process is a very efficient one. It can be done within a few weeks, and it is a relatively smooth one with a very good vetting process, which you want us to do, because if you're a member, you want us to accept new members that have good, high quality people that work at the firm.
We look forward to you joining and telling other people that would want to join. So thank you for coming and for listening.